Sunday, August 13th. About 70 degrees right now, maybe 68. Went down to only like 60 last night. Once the rain stopped there for an hour and a half, it didn't rain the rest of the night. Kept the door closed though. Only one window was open. So it wasn't that bad. Slept pretty good. Had the fan like blowing over the top of me, so it wasn't too bad. All it was that one thunderstorm. And today I thought it was supposed to rain all day, but hopefully it doesn't rain at all now. That's it for now. Sunday, August 13th, still about what, 4 o'clock? Yep, 4 o'clock. Been windy today, like 15 to 30 mile an hour gusts. Had some dark clouds, but they only dropped a few sprinkles. Now it seems to be more sky than clouds. It's gonna get chilly tonight. But it goes down to the upper 40s. You can see where the water was flowing last night. That stream's still flowing good. I just took some pictures of it. This part I had here all filled in. We got some where the water was running there. Had a little fire today. Yeah, it's beautiful out now. Wind's starting to die down, I think. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.